I want to show everybody how we can answer exam questions using Word documents. Fairly foolproof and easy way of doing it. So first step that you need to do is obviously create your question documents, or rather your answer documents. So I know this quiz has 6 questions. Yours will normally have 7. This is the demo quiz that I'm using in OFS. So I've created 6 questions here. Then I'll show you the steps how to use them. Let me just rename them so they reflect that as OFS quickly. There we go. Okay. So the benefits of this is, one, you have a local copy of all your answers. So if something does go wrong or there's some query, you can always fall back to it. The second benefit is it's much easier to insert images into Word than it is into Moodle, obviously. So you can just add them into Word, save them, close the file, then send it over to the test that you're doing. So it's important to remember to create one for each, to only add the answer into the correct question bank, add a question. And second, lastly, to make sure that you close Word and the document at least, and save it locally somewhere before you attempt this. If this has a little cloud icon, make sure it's actually locally downloaded, not sitting in OneDrive, because it might break it. Okay, so I'm going to do the quiz. So obviously now my problem is I've pre-added these things, but it's fine. We can edit it quickly. Right. So this one is asking me this. So I want to answer it. I can answer it here. So I just want to check which one. What I did was I already put the answers into the documents just to make it easier. But now obviously it's a bit messed up because it's shuffled the questions. So here we go. So this one. So this is now my new Q1. So let's call this, I'm just going to rename it Q1 1. And then drag and drop. You'll see I don't have Word open. These documents have been saved. And there is my answer. So this one doesn't have an image, so that's fine. So let's go to the next one. So this one is about fat. So that will be this one. I'm going to rename this to this is question 2. Oh, that's actually correct then. Oh, that's fine. That's perfect. Awesome. Drag and drop. And you see there is an image that I added into the Word document here. You can see there's my image, and it's cited and referenced and everything. And there is added it in here. Formatting is a little off. So I might want to fix that or make it smaller in the Word document if it's needed. But I mean, let's actually fix this. Let's just make it straight out. So I'm going to go to Q2. I'm just going to indent that a little bit so I know that it actually shows up there. Save, close, drag and drop. Yeah, so a little bit of formatting there, but I mean, that's just probably the Word font. If I have more time, I'll fix that. But I mean, this is already quite good. So next page, encoding. I think this is this one. No, it's the 42 one. There we go. So this is question 3. If you ever see that happening, it means that for this question, I'm going to flag it for myself. I'll fix it. I can't add a Word document here. So this one, there's no Word icon here, so it doesn't work. So just for the video, I'll fix it so it's fine. You can just do this. Control C, Control V. There we go. There's your answer. It's everything in there. Next page, I'll fix this stuff. So you guys can drag and drop it. This one, again, there's the word thing. So this drag and drop will definitely work here. So let's look at this one. This is now the real question 1, and it's our question 4. I'm just going to fix it here. 4. Drag and drop, no issues. Next one. I think I missed one. Oh, is it the gaming console one? Not that one. It's this one. So this is now question 5. Again, I forgot to add you see, no word icon, so it doesn't work. I'll have to fix this one as well. It's a setting that we have to enable to allow that. So I'll just copy paste that in for sake of brevity. This one will work again, as you can see. So it's one about the command line. It's probably question 6 then. There we go. Glad this one works. So I'm going to drag and drop in because I added an image. Doesn't ask for an image, but I thought I'll show you guys how it works if you add an image. And there we go. Add it in there. Again, the formatting is a little wonky. I'll have to figure out how to fix that. It's probably just a setting in Word. I did this, as you can see, very early this morning at just past 7 o'clock. So yeah, this is pretty much, then you can say finish attempt. And then you'll have to submit and finish. Always double check. So by double checking, you can go and see finish review. It's maybe because I'm a teacher, it's not going to work exactly for me. But yeah, I can go to review. And there's my answer for the first one. Second one with my image. Okay. So it does actually show the full thing. It just doesn't format properly. That's okay. We don't mind if it looks like this at all. You don't have to stress about that. That looks fine. That looks fine. That looks fine. And that looks fine. So brilliant. So this has now been handed to the team. The teacher can now grade it, or the grader can grade it. And if there's any issues, I can always ask them, hey, please send me your Word document with your answers. Let's try and see if we can grade it for you. Let's fix it for you. I hope this you guys find this useful.